If you're trying to organize your work in Gamma, one of the easiest things you can do is add your projects into a folder. This is a simple way to keep everything neat, find your presentations faster, and stay organized as your projects start to grow. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly how to create a folder and move a project into it. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your Gamma account. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the left side of the screen. You should see an option in blue text that says Create or Join Folder. This is the area you'll use to start organizing your projects. Go ahead and click that option. After clicking it, Gamma will ask you to name your folder. Type in a folder name that makes sense for the projects you want to keep together. For example, you could name it by topic, client, class, or campaign. Once you've entered the name, click the button to create the folder. And just like that, your folder is ready to use. Now that the folder exists, go back to your homepage. This is where all of your projects are listed. Find the project you want to add into the folder. When you hover over that project, look near the bottom of the project card. You'll see 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the Options menu. From the menu, choose Share. A pop-up window will appear with sharing options. In that Share section, you should see an option that says Add to Folder. This is the feature that lets you move your project into the folder you just created. Click the Add to Folder option, then type the name of your folder into the search field. Once the folder appears, select it from the list. Gamma will place the project into that folder, and your project has now been successfully added. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can keep your Gamma workspace organized and make it much easier to manage multiple projects. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.